In this video of SEO course, today we will learn that in Google Search Console, what is the removal option? We will be teaching you to use it practically, step by step, ensuring clear understanding. Friends, I hope you must be learning and practicing the SEO course well. So take a look at the entire video. So guys, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon and stay updated on all the latest content. An important thing to note, Marketing Fundas has launched a fantastic Mahabundle course for you, in which friends you can learn more than 50 digital technical skills. And with Marketing Fundas, friends, you too can start your learning and earning. So don't delay, the link is in the description, click and join. And make sure you watch this video till the end. Thank you. Call the given numbers or visit our website for digital marketing services, training and consultancy.
Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about Google Search Console's removal feature. In the last session, we learned about indexing related issues, performance, reports. In this video, we will learn, that how to use these removal options, right? The first option you get as soon as you click on removal is a temporary one. Temporary removals from here, if you have any page or friends, your page which has been indexed and is appearing in search results after indexing, right? So friends, if you want to remove it from your results and it should not appear in the results, if someone searches for any keyword, so you want that result should not appear there. Sometimes it happens that one of our incorrect pages ranks for certain keywords. So in that case, what do? In that case, we use the temporary removal feature. In this, we add that specific link to the request for 6 months. What does Google do? It removes it, right? Okay. So here, what are our options? One of our option is that there is new request option where what you can do is here temporarily in remove URL, you can add any URL, or if you want to add any specific URL in your website, it will be temporarily removed for 6 months, right? Now it cannot be permanently removed. That is like, suppose friends, sometimes what happens is that we search for any term, then whenever we search for any keyword, we expect that in this keyword or this page to come first. However, the reality is often different. Someone is ranking wrong page. They are ranking another page, which we don't want to rank. In that particular instance, we'll use a temporary removal. We remove it so that that thing is removed entirely from this result. And the page where we are building backlinks, the page we want to rank, that page appeared. It's very simple. You need to put it in the request. What you have to do in the temporary remove URL in your website page, here type URL and whatever that page is. Okay. What you need to do here is to add URL of that particular page / whatever it is. Is it a blog or any post that you have to mention? If you want to mention only a single URL, then you completely use this remove URL option and paste that particular URL in here. And friends, all right, if you want to have all those URLs here, you should remove all of those URLs, especially the ones utilizing that prefix to avoid any errors or confusion. Then those will be all the URLs attached to it, or in other words, we can also say all the slugs. Those all will be removed for 6 months, right? What does this mean? It is temporary. So temporarily it will be removed. If you want to remove it permanently, you need to show it's 400 for errors, or you have to put it for redirection, or that page needs to be deleted. All right. So you can get this option, but only temporarily in removal feature in Google. So what is the next thing we have here? Outdated content. That means those people who have, after visiting the website, your page was marked as having outdated content. Content is old. So those things. See if someone has marked it here. So friends, in safe search filtering, some content like adult content like this. So those things will be shown to you here. Right now, we don't have anything marked by people as outdated content. In temporary removal, we do not do anything. We have not added any URL for removal, right? If you want, you can use it from here. So guys, that's all for this video. We'll bring more interesting topics in upcoming videos. Thank you so much for now.
I hope, friends, you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please let me know in the comments. So friends, our digital marketing services are available. Contact us if you are interested. So you can visit our website marketingfundas.com or call the numbers provided. Friends, Marketing Fundas has launched a partner program for you so that you can begin your instant learning journey. And it's a very easy program. The link is in the description. Click to join. And friends, thank you so much for watching Marketing Fundas.